Oh yeah, look at the happy little critters right there. That is Melissa and her sister Christina. Look at the gas guzzler they gave me. Fucking ridiculous. Oh, by the way, top of the morning to you. It is, we are here in Vegas for a wedding. I think that's gonna be a pretty long vlog, just basically multi-part. My connection in my room sucks, so I might as well make a good video out of this. So we are heading to the Hoover Dam right now. Maybe we'll do some shots there, and yeah, stay tuned for a good time in Vegas. Video first. Say something.
Yeah! Hey guys, what's up? We're, I don't know, on some sort of road, and we noticed this beautiful view over here.
Look at this nice view. Look at this nice view. Look at that. That's awesome. Here we finally freaking are, the Hoover Dam. Hold on, we're gonna approach it nicely. Going down the stairs, boom, 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 and let's look at the drop right now. Yeah, pretty cool, huh, guys? Here you go, boom. Imagine falling down this thing. Jesus. An awesome view. Pretty fucking empty, eh guys? Oh, it is bright, sorry. Probably gonna get really bright on this, but my eyes is pretty turned down. The sun is so damn high. Look at this. Pretty scary, huh? Pretty fucking scary. If you fell down there, that'd be crazy slide, that's for sure. You feel like you're doing what wrong?
Was it like properly aligned?
Yeah? Where are you trying to be?
Huh?
Where are you trying to be when you're doing it?
I have a picture similar to that somewhere else.
Yeah? In Mexico?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that what you're trying to do? And by the way, I'm taking a video right now.
What? You can't post that.
No, of course I can't. Vlogging. Whoa! This is a double whammy vlog. Double whammy. Double whammy.
Top of the morning to you folks.
Top of the morning?
Top of the afternoon to you folks.
I sound kind of Irish, don't I? Alright, let's hear a little echo here.
We're in Arizona.
Did you hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that is one hell of an echo. I don't know if it's going to come off on the camera, but that's awesome. We're going to head up there right now, up top. Yep. Yeah, you can do the talking. I'm gonna walk away because she's just gonna keep. You're supposed to vlog. Yeah, you're supposed to talk and tell people what's going on. See, that's the problem. I have to teach this woman how to properly vlog, which means, you know, vlogging means video logging. Video blogging means you're talking about what the hell is going on in the situation rather than just showing images, because anyone can really just show images. It's all about, you know, explaining how fun everything is and whatnot. Then we go to the damn restaurant. Whoa, we can't see anything right now. There we go. Now we can see something. Whoa. So damn fancy. Official damn restaurant. Can this open? Fuck. Oh, those are the urinals. There you have it, folks. Nothing interesting. I decided to upgrade my vehicle to this little boy. Mitsubishi just wasn't my thing anymore, so I just decided to get myself a Lambo. What do you guys think? Lamborghini right there. What do you guys think? Automatic. Oh, fuck that. Okay, I take that back. That wasn't my car. I mean, who would drive an automatic? That's not our car, Christina. That's not our car. Don't pull the door. The alarm's gonna go off. Women. Jeez. That's our car. Right here. I call this the gas guzzler. Look at this guy. Mr. Gas Guzzler, Gas Guzzler. That's my license plate right there. Can you see it? It's an X. It's really original. Bam. All right. We're all its glory, the Hoover Dam. Bam. Bam, bam. Bam. That's cool shit. It's Memorial Bridge. Honestly, I have no idea how long this has been around because I didn't read the history yet. Maybe I should, just because it might be interesting to find out some details about all this stuff. Am I in focus? I have no idea. I wish you guys could tell me if I'm in focus or not. Maybe now I'm in focus. I have no idea. Hold on. Am I in focus? I think I'm in focus. Pretty sure I'm in focus. That is nifty. Look at that. Whoop. Now you see it in focus. Now you see me in focus. Then you see there. Now you see me. Now you see there. Now you see me. Yes. That's my balls. Oh, that's not appropriate for public. Oh no. All right, we're gonna go. All right. Let's do a little video. It's with my ultra zoom lens here. Let's go right in. This is how zoomed in we are right now. So that's Christina on the bridge. She's focused somewhat. And then we're gonna go to the Hoover Dam, focused right now, and then we're gonna zoom in. Look at that. Here we have that is the Arizona time, if you can see that. It says 4:20 there. 4:20 Arizona time, you know what that means. And then if we just move over to the Nevada time right there, it's 3:20. How fucking cool is that? Woo! 4:20, 3:20. 4:20, 3:20. 4:20, 3:20. Alright, I'm done with this shit. See you again. That was my fun at Hoover Dam. The girls. Girls. Always something isn't going right. Just kidding, they're fun. Yeah, it was really cool seeing this. We were here back in September. We saw the Grand Canyon, and then this time around, last time we didn't have time to come up here. So really cool to see this. This dam is absolutely massive. I don't think it's like the be-all, end-all of things to see or anything like that, but it's really cool to see. Yeah. Definitely worth coming out here. It's a really short trip from Vegas. If you're ever in Vegas, definitely come on out here. It's like less than an hour drive, and you get to see one of the fanciest things in the Nevada-Arizona border, that's for sure. Anyways, guys, as always, stay sexy, stay hungry, and